Ready, Paula? Okay. I'm pulling on my email so I can look at the paperwork. And somebody let me know if I'm reading the wrong one. All right, this is cause number 644650, State of Texas versus Mark Rios. Is that the correct cause number?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Rios is present in custody. Defense counsel's present, state's present. We're on Zoom. And Mr. Rios, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Rios, I see that you signed a form saying defendant's consent to plea by video conference. What that means is you're agreeing to take a plea by Zoom, not being physically in the courtroom. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And I also see a form that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. By signing that form, you're telling the court, I skipped over something. You're telling the court you do not wish to, you wish to take a plea today. You do not want to have a jury trial. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and more importantly, let's go back. You're charged with the offense of violation of bond. It is a Class A misdemeanor punishable up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and or up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand that maximum range of punishment?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And from the paperwork in front of me, it looks like you signed and you do want to have a jury trial. I mean, sorry, you do want to do a plea and not have a jury trial, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Before I can take your plea, I need to let you know about your constitutional rights. You do have a right to a trial by jury, meaning you can force the state to bring in witnesses, prove this case against you beyond a reasonable doubt. Your attorney can cross-examine those witnesses. You have a right to remain silent during your trial. And if you do remain silent, that cannot be held against you in any way whatsoever. So knowing those important rights, do you still wish to waive them and proceed with a plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Martinez, have you represented your client for more than 10 days?
Yes, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in his defense?
Yes, he has.
Have you found to be mentally competent?
Yes, Judge, I have.
Has he assigned discovery order? Are you satisfied with the discovery the state has provided?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rios, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Need to let you know if you're found guilty of this charge today or at a later date, it could affect your ability to have a concealed handgun, to get a concealed handgun permit, or to possess any weapons under federal law. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you also understand it's going to be illegal for you to possess or transfer firearms or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And to the offense of violation of bond, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
If you plead no contest, the court can still find you guilty if the evidence is sufficient. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody forcing you to take this plea?
No, Your Honor.
All right. State, is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is for an $800 fine, court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. He currently has 33 actual days. Credit for time served. Time and money will run concurrent, and this will be for judgment satisfied.
Is that your agreement, Mr. Rios?
Yes, Your Honor.
And
That's
Judge, also to add,
Go ahead.
and also to add on to the agreement, for a plea on this case, the state is taking into consideration cause number 639995, which is an assault, bodily injury, family household, and that dismissal will be tendered to the court at the completion of this plea.
Okay. Is that your agreement, Mr. Martinez?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Court's going to follow that agreement. I'm going to sentence you, Mr. Rios, to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, $800 fine, court cost. You will get credit for time served. The time and money will run concurrent. The judgment will be satisfied. And it looks like the state is going to take into consideration cause number 639995, an assault case. Lastly, trial court certification of defendant's right to appeal. You signed this form, Mr. Rios. This is a plea bargaining case, and you do not have my permission to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I've signed your paperwork. And anything else from either side?
Just from the state that Mr. Martinez, I will forward you that signed dismissal once it's been processed and filed for your records.
Okay, Judge. Okay, Victoria and Judge, I don't think we've got anything left. This should take care of all of our business today. I'm sure that you are entirely satisfied with the amount of time we've spent today.
Absolutely. This is
Okay.
fun. We should do this more often.
We should.
All right. Mr. Rios, good luck to you, sir. Stay out of trouble, all right?
Yes, Your Honor, I will.
All righty. Take care.
You
May I
too.
be
Boss.
excused, Your Honor? May I be excused?
You may, Mr. Martinez. You
Thank
take care.
You too.
All righty. Bye-bye. Okay. And, all right. And Mr. Rios, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Click any button you want. There we go. All righty.
And that's how you do that.
That's how we do that.
We are still recording, by the way.
Oh.
Bring it.